Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix error code 429 on Roblox. Now, this mainly happens due to Roblox's issue and not your issue. So, to check their servers if they're running properly, what you have to do is just go to your browser and search for something like status.roblox.com, and you'll be brought to this website. In here, as you can see, all system operations are online and everything is operating properly. So that means everything is okay on the server. And if that's all good, what you have to do is sometimes you have to log out and log in back to your account. So just go to roblox.com or your Roblox player and just log out and log into another account again. And after doing that, try to open a game and it should work. And if it still doesn't work and if it still gives you the error, what you can do is just simply go to your start button and right click on it. Then just click on network connection. Then from here, just go to advanced network settings. Then just go to network reset under more settings. From here, just reset your network. And this is going to reset all the network settings for you. And then just try to open up a game and it should work. And if it still doesn't work, what you can do is just try out a VPN, connect to a VPN and see if using a VPN allows you to launch a game. If it does, then you can disable your VPN after going inside the game. And even if that doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for CMD and open up CMD. In here, type ipconfig/flush DNS. This is going to flush your DNS server. So just do this. And as you can see, successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Then just go ahead and try to open a game and it should work. And basically that is it. And that is how to fix error code 429 on Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.